Dear student, today I will learn about factorize. Question number 4 factorize in exercise 2.4. First part given 12x square minus 7x plus 1. How can given question factorize? Now we check the how will possible factorize. So this is given equation maximum power of variable 2. This is quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation. So now taken constant, this is 1, and multiply by coefficient of 12, this is 12, gives 12, and find how possible factorize. So this is 12 into 1 and 6 into 2 and 4 into 3. 4 into 3. So now split into middle term. Split into middle term. This is minus 7x. So how find 7? So check in this factor. So 12 plus 1 not 7, 12 minus 1 not 7, 6 plus 2 not 7, 6 minus 2 not 7, 4 plus 3 this is 7. So this is possible of split into 7. So now replace 7, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3. So 4 plus 3, 12x square in bracket 4 plus 3 into x plus 1. So now open this bracket. So 12x square minus and taken 4, open this bracket, so gives 4x minus 3x, also plus minus 3 into x, 3x plus 1, and there are 4 terms, so taken pair and common out in this term. So maximum common integer in both, maximum common digit. So 4, this is 4 and 4. So 4 common and x into x. So x common out. So divide by 4x in this. So 4 3s are 12 and x, this is x minus 4x address 1. So minus in this term not common, so taken 1 and minus common out, so 3x and plus, so minus, so this is minus 1, and also this is common 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. So and given 12x square minus 7x plus 1, split, initially we split मिडिल टर्म, यानी मिडिल टर्म को तोड़ते हैं। तोड़ने के लिए कांस्टेंट टर्म इंटू कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स, दिस इज 12 into 1, गिव्स 12। 12 को हम फैक्टर बनाते हैं। सो मल्टीपल फैक्टर 12 इंटू 1, 6 इंटू 2, 4 इंटू 3। सो नाउ दिस इज मल्टीपल फैक्टर। सो 7 को 2 भाग में ऐसे तोड़िए जो 12 भी मिलता हो। सो 12 इंटू 1, 12 में 1 जोड़ेंगे, माइनस करेंगे तो 7 नहीं आएगा। 6 इंटू 2 ऐड करेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, दिस इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल 7। सो एट लास्ट 4 इंटू 3, 4 में 3 प्लस करेंगे तो 7 आएगा। तो 7 को रिप्लेस करके 4 प्लस 3 कर देंगे। सो एन माइनस और एक्स का लेकर के अंदर इंटू करेंगे। सो दिस इज दिस। एन अब पेयर बनाएंगे। पेयर बनाने के बाद इसमें देखेंगे क्या कॉमन मिलता है। यानी 4 मैक्सिमम 4 के टेबल में आएगा 12 एंड 4। दिस इज बोथ टेकन कॉमन। मैक्सिमम 4, 4 1 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12। सो 4 and x square, this is common x maximum. So 4x common out, 4 3 is 12 and x rest. So and 4 common out, 4x. So this 4 इनकी जगह 1, 4 1 जा 4। अगर इसका मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये पूरी डिजिट आ जाएगी। एंड 4 आल्सो इसमें कोई कॉमन नहीं है तो 1 ले लेंगे, माइनस है तो माइनस लिख लेंगे, फिर ब्रैकेट लगाएंगे, फिर ये पूरी डिजिट लिखिए। अगर ये प्लस है माइनस ले रहे हैं तो माइनस होगा, अगर माइनस है तो अगर ये माइनस है तो प्लस हो जाएगा। यानी कि प्लस है ब्रैकेट लगाएंगे तो साइन चेंज हो जाती है। प्लस है तो माइनस, माइनस है तो प्लस। सो दिस इज़ प्लस, माइनस कॉमन आउट, दिस इज विल बी निगेटिव साइन। सो ये दोनों पार्ट कॉमन है, इसको कॉमन ले लिए और रेस्ट नए ब्रैकेट न्यू ब्रैकेट में 4x माइनस 1 लिख लेते हैं। तो दिस इज आंसर। एंड ऑल्सो सेकेंड पार्ट 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 7x प्लस 3। सो constant term taken initially, constant term 3 into coefficient of x square taken 2 multiply by 2, so gives 6. Now makes factor 6 into 1 and 2 into 3, 2 into 3. So this is so splitting middle term, split middle term. So 7, so 6 plus 1, 6x plus 1x and 2x plus 3x, not 7x, 2x plus 3x will be 5x, not possible. So 6x plus 1, this is possible. So in replace 6x plus 1x taken, 2x square plus 6 plus 1 and x plus 3. So 2x square plus and x multiply, open the bracket, x into 6x plus 1x plus 3. So this is, there are 2 pair, so common out maximum 2 and 6, maximum 2 and x, this is x. So common 2x. So divide by this, so 2 cancel out and x divide x square divided by x, so gives x and plus 2 3s are 6 and x common out and plus there is no common, so 1 taken and bracket x and this is 3 common out 1, there is no changing. So in common out taken x plus 3 and new bracket 2x plus 1, and also given x square, 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So how possible factorize? Taken constant term 3 and coefficient of x square, this is 2, multiply by each other, so gives 6. So factorize 6, factorize 6 into 1 and 2 into 3. Now check, split into middle term, so 7 gives, there are 7 given. So how possible? 6 plus 1 and 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 not possible 7. So 6 plus 1, this is possible 7. So now x include or 6 plus 1, taken 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 into x. So open this bracket, so x multiply, so this is, and now makes pair and common out. So 2 and 6, this is maximum factor. So 2 common and x common. So this is rest x and 2 3 and x common out and x plus 3, and there is no common, so common out 1 and rest x plus 3. So this is common out and new bracket 2x and plus 1. This is answer. Third part in 4 question. So 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Middle part split into 2 part. So splitting into 2 part. So how split into 2 part? So taking constant term, not present x. So this is constant 6 and into, and taken coefficient of x square, this is 6, multiply by 6 gives 36. Now find multiple factor. So 36 multiple factor, 36 into 1 and 18 into 2 and 12 into 3 and 9 into 4, 9 into 4. So now check, split into 2 part in middle part. So 36 plus 1 not 5 and 36 minus 1 not 5. So 18 plus 2 not 5. 18 minus 2 not possible to 5, and 12 plus 3 not possible 5, and 12 minus 3 not possible 5. 9 plus 4, this is 13, not equal to 5, not possible, but 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. This is possible for in place of 5. So 6x square plus 9 minus 4, replace 5 according to this situation, 9 minus 4 and x minus 6. 6x square, open bracket, multiply x with sign. So 9x minus 4x minus 6. Now make pair 1 2 3 4 term. Now pair of 2 term. So now taken common out in this pair. So maximum common out in this integer, this is 3 and x square. So maximum this, lower this. So lower common out x. Now common out in this pair 3x. So divide in this. So 3 to n x. So rest x plus 3x common out. And minus, so minus in this 4 and 6. So this is 2 common out and 2 and minus common out. So this is x and 3. So 2 minus common out. So 2 2s are 4. This is 2 and x minus. So minus common out. So result will be positive. So 2 3s are 6. And this is common out. So 2x plus 3 and new bracket rest term 3x minus 2. So this is answer. And also fourth part, 3x square minus x minus 4. So middle term x is splitting into two parts with the help of given constant. So this is constant not present in variable x. So this is constant 4. Multiply by coefficient of x square into 3 into 3. So gives this is 12. Multiple factor makes multiple factor 12 into 1. 12 into 1, 6 into 2 and 4 into 3. 4 into 3. Now check split middle term. This is coefficient of x 1. So now 12 plus 1 not possible to 1 and 12 minus 1 not possible to 1. 6 plus 2 not possible to 1. 6 minus 2 not possible to 1 and 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 not equal to 1. So not possible, but 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. This is 1. So this is possible. 4 into 3, 4 minus 3, this is 1. So split into two parts. So 3x square and added both x and x. 4x and 3x taken. 4x and 3x taken. So 4x minus 3x. So now this, so 4 minus 4 minus 3, this is 1 and taken x minus 4. So now open the bracket with minus and x multiply. So 3x square minus and x multiply in this bracket. So gives minus 4x minus into minus plus 3x minus 4. Now makes pair and common out in this pair. So this is no digit integer common out. To taken common out 1 and x 1x are and 3x minus 4 and plus there is no common out. So 1 in bracket 3x minus 4. So no meaning of 1. This is taken common out only x in this bracket. So x. So x and 3x minus 4 and plus 1 and this in this bracket 3x minus 4. So this is common out 3x minus 4 and new bracket x, write new bracket, this common out, so new bracket, write x and plus 1. This is answer. That's all. Thank you.